If you are a music lover, chances are that you're already familiar to the most popular music streaming platform, Spotify. In today's video, I'll be showing you some of the best Spotify tips and tricks that you should know. Usually, when you're using Spotify, you either use it from your homepage or look for the search bar to look for new music. But what you can do is you can go to your library and then pin some of your favorite playlists. For that, all you have to do is click on the playlist that you want to pin and do a right swipe. You can do this with all the playlists that you want to add to the top. For the second feature, did you know that you could enhance your playlist? All you need to do is go to a playlist. Then at the top, you should be able to see an enhancement tab. You just have to click on it. You can now listen to these new songs, and if you like it, you just have to click on this plus tab and it will be added to your playlist. Have you ever wanted to make a collaborative playlist? For the next step, I'll be teaching you how you can make a collaborative playlist. You just have to click on the three-dot icon. Then at the bottom, you can see invite collaborators. Once the collaborative playlist has been enabled, you just have to copy the link and share it to the person that you want to create a collaborative playlist with. Moving forward to the fourth trick, this is for podcasts and shows. Supposedly you love listening to podcasts and not all of your friends listen to it. What you can do is go to the podcast that you want to share. And if you want your friend to listen to a particular line or a particular sentence, you just have to get there, then click on the share icon. Now here it says share from 1049. You just have to turn on this toggle, then copy the link and share it. Now when you share it with your friend and when they play this podcast, it will only play from this specific time onward. I know that we have all been there when we just hate to wait for the next music to play. For that, we have the Spotify's crossfade feature. That is how you can shorten the gap between songs. For that, you have to go to settings, and if you scroll down, you should be able to see crossfade time. Now from here, you can adjust your desired time frame. The second last trick that I'll be teaching you today is how to keep your music taste private. There are times when you don't want people that you follow to know what kind of music you're listening to. So for that, you have to go to the settings icon again, scroll down, and under social, you can see private session. You just have to turn it on, and this will allow your Spotify to be your own private session. The last tip for today is a Spotify default. That is, Spotify will allow you to play and control music from any of your devices. Meaning that if you are playing a particular song from your desktop, then you do not even need to be nearby to change to a new song. So whatever music you're playing on your desktop will appear on all of your devices, and from there you can just pause it or change to a new one. So these are some of the best Spotify tips and tricks that I thought you should know. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.